Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I thought I would just do a super quick video on just how to put the box together. It's really very straightforward. You just fold your pieces over and then you're going to kind of pop it out and fold those pieces, and then you need to fold your tabs in like this, and then you can fold your end over, tuck it in. And once you get the one done, it's a little more simple to do the other ones. Oh, mine's folded, there we go. And then you can just tuck as you need to. It's easier to do if there's things in it, but there you go. So that is the box built. And then to do the belly band, we need to take one end. So I've got it this way. Do this and put two of the adhesive dots on the one end, like that. And like that. And then we need to put one on the back of the dandelion, just right in the middle of the flower, like that. And then we're going to take this and we're going to peel the backings off. And then we're going to just wrap this around and then just line it up in the back so that it's straight. And then just give it a push to hold that together. And then we're taking the dandelion, peeling the back off that, and just popping it on there like that. So that is the gift box that you can use to put your finished cards in if you want to give them as a gift. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for those alternate videos.